Camden, New York, were named the crew. From towers of glass to penthouse views, a builder's son with a vision grand. In the land of freedom, he made a stand, riding a wave of fame and grit. With every dollar earned, he took a risk. Some called him bold, some called him tough, but he'd say himself, I'm just doing my stuff. So here's to the ride on the American dream, through highs and lows and everything between. From the boardroom cheers to the campaign trail, he fought his way like a roaring gale, riding high on that American dream. Stepped on the stage, played his own tune on TV screens. He took the room from the apprentice throne to the voting booth. He spoke his mind, some saw the truth. Ran at 16 to the nation's surprise, with stars in his eyes and fire inside. Make it great, he shouted loud, won over hearts and drew a crowd. Yeah, he's riding the wave of the American dream, bold and brazen to the extreme. From the Rust Belt towns to the border wall, he brought his vision to one and all, riding high on that American dream. Some saw a leader, some saw a fight. Every move he made was black or white. But that's the story of folks who dare to chase a dream that's hanging there. Through 4 long years, he held his ground. In a nation divided, he doubled down. Left the office, but the name remains. In red, white, and blue, his legacy gains. Now he's a chapter in history's song. The highs, the lows, the right, the wrong. Like him or not, his mark is clear. An American story, bold and near. Yeah, he rode the wave of the American dream, through fame and fire, every extreme. A voice that echoed across the land, the tale of a man who took a stand, riding high on that American dream. So raise a toast to the ones who try to climb the ladder to touch the sky. From sea to shining sea, he flew, riding the dream, red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. For raise a toast to the ones who try to climb the ladder, to touch the sky. From sea to shining sea, he flew, riding the dream, red, white, and blue. He's riding the wave of the American dream, bold and brazen to the extreme. From the Rust Belt towns to the border wall, he brought his vision to one and all, riding high on that American dream. Some saw a leader, some saw a fight. Every move he made was black or white. But that's the story of folks who dare to chase a dream that's hanging there.